Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Unpopular, and the title of the video is Cocky Road Rager Learns the Hard Way He's Not Untouchable. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about here. Hopefully this is a good one.
And stated that you'll be both her and her daughter's.
I didn't say that. It might be illegal, but come on, bro. Yeah. I've been to jail 100 times, and you guys think I'm just gonna come here to fucking lie to you?
You ain't gonna win, there's 4 of us.
Let me out these cuffs, because I'm about to smack the shit out of every single one of y'all.
On April 8th, 2024, officers responded to an area following a report of a woman claiming a man was tailgating her closely, then pulled alongside her vehicle and threatened to harm her and her daughter.
You see it on him?
Alright. Hey, what's up, man? How you doing?
You didn't give me this officer your name.
Stop. No, please stop.
You can say right over here.
Alright, well, I got so many cops coming around.
No, you good.
2 of us. Don't worry about it.
That's fine. You stay right there. I just need some information. What's your last name?
Bryson. Or my last name, Gregory.
What's your middle initial?
D.
Date of birth?
4/22/02.
So what's going on, man? So, lady came here earlier?
I just came because I didn't want to get arrested. I just got out.
Okay.
So,
well, she stated that you were following.
So, okay. Yep.
You were following her closely.
Yep.
You're behind her on the bumper.
Yep.
And you drove to the side of her and stated that you'll be both her and her daughter's.
I didn't say that.
You didn't say that. What did you say? Why'd you drive on the side of her?
Because she's an idiot.
What do you mean she's an idiot?
Y'all about to arrest me.
What makes you think
Let me call my mom.
What makes you think that she's an idiot?
Let me call my mom. They always want to call their mommy, man, when they get in trouble. You pull up on the side of the road because you saying that she's an idiot, but the cop asks you why is she an idiot and you ain't got no response. How is they an idiot? Come on now. You gonna have to be able to explain your actions, man. But this guy, I want you guys to look up Dominic Mysterio. If you guys are into wrestling, I'm a wrestling fan. I watch WWE. And this guy looks just like Dominic Mysterio. Obviously, it's not, but it's just a comparison that I thought of.
I'm driving this. I just bought this car.
Why would you drive on the side of her?
Because she's an idiot. What? You think I would just come turn myself in?
What makes her an idiot? What do you mean?
You think I drive on the side of her for no reason? Come on, bro.
Either way,
we both.
It's illegal. You still shouldn't do that.
It might be illegal, but come on, bro.
Why'd you do it?
Because she's an idiot.
What made you do it, though?
Stop avoiding the question.
You think I would just come turn myself in?
That does
come on, bro.
That does not make you.
Okay, let me come on.
That shouldn't cause you to do that.
Come on.
Even if you. What was she doing? How was she driving?
I knew she was gonna call the cops. That's why I came in. I just bought this car, bro. Come on, bro.
Listen, man. You said you came down here. Why did you come down here?
Why did I come down here?
Yes.
What do you mean? Why did I come down here?
Why did you come down to the Peoria Police Department?
Because it was in Peoria.
What was in Peoria?
What do you mean? What was in Peoria?
You said because
I bought the car out of Peoria.
No. Why'd you come here today, right now?
Because I called. Because I knew she was gonna call the cops.
Okay. So you showed up to get your side of the story? Is that what you showed up for?
Because so I don't get arrested. I just got out, bro. Come on.
Where'd you get out for? Where'd you get out for?
Battery on a cop.
Said Bryson.
Battery on a cop? Come on, man. Listen, he looks young, man, but you ruining your life with these stupid choices, bruh. And I know, man, you just got out and you already back up to some foolishness? Messing with women? Come on, man. Who does that?
Yeah, and I don't have a license, so you guys are gonna arrest me.
You don't have a license?
No.
Okay.
Come on, bro.
You have any plates on your car?
Hey, bud,
Hey, just relax.
Have a seat on the curb.
Because I came in terms
Have
of
a seat on the curb.
Take a seat.
Stick your feet straight out in front of you. Cross them at the ankles.
No,
Cross them
your
at the
foot.
ankles.
Your foot.
I'm not.
So you drove in front of her because she was an idiot. Was
Come on, man. Arrest me.
Was she driving too slow? What was it?
Man, come on, bro.
What was it?
I've been to jail 100 times, and you guys think I'm just gonna come here to fucking lie to you? No.
But you also say to us that you didn't have a license. So
I don't
is your
have a
license revoked or suspended? What is it?
It's revoked.
It's revoked. Okay. So you're driving on revoked license, which is
I didn't say
something.
that. I never said that.
Your license is revoked. You just
My
pulled
license
up.
is revoked.
Okay. You were driving this vehicle, right?
No, I'm not. No, I'm not admitting to anything. Come on, man.
What is there to admit? Who else drove this vehicle up here?
I don't know. Come on, bro.
So you have no other reason besides she was driving stupid. You have no other reason besides her driving stupid. That's all you have.
Man, I don't give a f***, man. I can't believe I came up here.
Was his license?
Honestly, there's probably something deeper going on. Maybe some family issues or something like that. Maybe father's not around or something like that. Because for him he said, man, I've been to jail 100 times. He probably hasn't been to jail 100 times, but he's just saying that he's been to jail a lot of times. And for that to happen, he's probably going through something. He kind of looks just like a lost soul.
License.
No license.
It's revoked. Yeah.
All right. You want to stand up for me?
I'm about to resist.
Stand up.
Just stand
Don't
up for us.
resist.
No, don't.
Stand up for us. No. Stop.
You better act right. They're going to get you together, boy.
Stop resisting.
Oh, yeah, don't resist now. Oh,
We got it.
taser. Oh.
Got him? You want to
Get him right, boy.
Get your arm out of there, bro. You ain't gonna win.
Get
There's
him
four
right.
of us.
Gary, can you get to cross?
Yep.
Just hold. No, done. Okay. Gary, hold on to his arm.
I'll start you on a rotation, so.
Yeah. Make them two. See if they can bring it down.
I'll take another rotation towards the front of the station.
Why are you being stupid? Yeah. I'm trying to come help you guys, and you guys are
You didn't help us.
don't touch me. Pull your car around. Just leave him here. We'll sit right here.
We're gonna put him in your car.
Yep. This is my car right here.
I want to talk about something real quick, right? I'm gonna rewind it a little bit. Now, guys nowadays, right? They sag their pants. You know what I'm saying? As it's like fashion or whatever, right? So this I've always heard when I was working in the prisons and stuff like that. That this actually, the sagging of the pants started from inside of prison. And that was a form of letting guys know that, they with the activities, you know what I'm saying? If they showing their butt a little bit, if they sagging their pants a little bit, that would let the guys that are, fruitcakes and stuff like that, that would let them know that, yeah, I get down like that, you know what I'm saying? And then if you didn't sag your pants, then that means you were straight, So it's funny how that, I've always heard that started inside of prison. And then as people, got out of jail and stuff like that, they started to, wear it on the streets. Not necessarily as a, for that meaning, but that's kind of how it originated. And now it has evolved into, guys doing it just, because they think it's fashion or they want to show off, their underwear or whatever. But, whatever. I don't sag my pants, so I don't know. But I don't know why guys do it, because it's uncomfortable. Like, honestly, why can't you put up a belt or wear proper pants where, your pants don't have to sag?
Us.
Don't touch me. Pull your car around. Just leave him here. We'll sit right here.
We're gonna put him in your car.
Yep. This is my car right here.
Reach to the other side.
Yep. That's a...
Sorry, bro.
Can you believe he was just sent to jail for battering a police officer?
Yep.
Is there a trunk release? I don't know if this is the key to.
Oh, there's a on the ground over there. Dante, you go fill out an impound on this. You
Yeah,
gotta,
I gave him the impound. He's gonna be doing that.
No, he actually chucked it in the car.
He did.
lock that out. We'll handle this. We got tow coming already.
I'll write it up and everything. I'll do all that. This is my car, so.
Well, this makes it easy.
Huh?
I guess this makes it easier when it out, huh?
Yeah.
Did she already
Yeah, she left already.
Did she describe him like wearing like a yellow t-shirt?
Yeah, she described him wearing a beanie, described his hair straggly, and that in that car.
You can hit him with the DC too. Dude, I don't even see a fire.
So I hit her for DC, driving on revoked, and all that.
Fireball in there, but
Okay.
I don't smell anything on him. I don't
Okay.
think he's drunk. He might be on something else.
Okay.
Resisting as well.
Yep.
What are even my charges? You guys don't even know. She's got forward. It's all scratched up. My car is going. You guys are idiots. They just want to throw shit at my car, but I'm the guilty. Let me out these cuffs because I'm about to smack the shit out of every single one of y'all. Come on, bro. I know you understand. Let my mom come get the car. You guys got the fucking title. That's got to be illegal. Not to mention I'm fucking bleeding from everywhere. You guys are fucking reaching. Call an ambulance. Let's deal with it. Call an ambulance. What? You guys aren't gonna take me to jail. I'm fucking bleeding everywhere, you fucking retard. What do you mean, for what? An idiot. What do you mean, on the side of my head? I'm fucking spitting blood out? What do you mean, where? You guys are fucking idiots.
I don't see any blood anywhere. That's what I'm asking. Are you hurt?
You think I'm gonna come turn myself in? You guys are fucking idiots, bro. Okay. I didn't think Peoria was this bad. No, I need an ambulance. I'm calling for an Where's Sergeant? One of the two.
That's an old one, I think, for him.
Okay.
And here's his phone. I think the cash that he took out. No, cash is back in his pocket. His vapes or whatever for the wagon.
Okay.
What do you need me to do?
No, I didn't. What am I?
I finished this. If you want to do the booking, do the booking.
Are you writing him tickets too?
Yeah, I'm gonna write him tickets too.
You've got a slew. So after when you start writing them, let me know, and then we can go over and make sure we got all the
Okay. All right.
That's not legal.
I don't know. I didn't notice it.
You didn't notice that?
That's not legal. Idiots, bro. I can't. Oh, I thought Peoria Police was better than this. Let me out the car.
A man was charged with improper use of registration/title, driving on a revoked license due to unpaid fees, operating an uninsured motor vehicle, operating without a certificate of title, disorderly conduct, and resisting a peace officer.
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.